good morning. Tuesday morning. Naka-office attire tayo ngayon. Nakakapanibago. So normally, naka-pambahay lang tayo from working from home. But this time, first ever, pupunta tayo ng Perth City for a technical training about N-Central. May training ako sa city from 8:30 to 4 p.m. Ayan, so nakakapanibago. But yun, gumising pa rin tayo ng maaga. And yun, so it's about ano lang naman, mga 30 minutes ride from here. And then lalakarin na lang natin for a few minutes. So yun, hoping for a good training today. Yung N-Central, it's one of our tools na ginagamit. So, hindi ko siya talaga primary tool. Pero, there's an opportunity na umattend ng in-person training dito sa Perth. So, yun. I grabbed the opportunity to attend the training today. So, whole day siya. So, yun yung mga perks from working in IT. Every now and then, may mga training. And of course, itong mga trainings na to, even short one-day training, it's a good opportunity to leverage yung mga opportunities na ganito. Ayun, see ya! Ayan, inagahan na lang natin. So, 6:50, 8:30 pa ako kailangan dun sa Parmelia Hotel. So, sa hotel siya gaganapin yung training. So, gahan ko na lang kasi baka parking, baka punuan yung parking and baka ma-traffic din. So, okay na rin yung yung maaga. Ayan. So, according to Waze, 33 minutes lang naman. So, for 20 kilometers na biyahe. So, short distance lang. Matatawa kayo sa akin. So pag pupunta ako ng Perth, isa lang lagi yung pinagpa-parkingan, which is CPP Terrace Road. So marami namang parking areas like maraming CPP parking, Wilson parking. Pero nakasanayan ko lang yung malapit sa Elizabeth Quay. So normally yun yung sweet spot ko sa parking. Kaya minsan si My Loves naiinis kasi ayaw nun maglakad. Pero yun, convenient naman kasi dahil parang nasa center siya. Sarado yung isang street doon sa amin. Ina-upgrade yung train station o yung train railings. So for a week siya. Actually, it's been a year, almost a year. So I think it will only take 6 months more and then mag-o-open na. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa area namin, malapit sa lahat. So malapit sa even sa train station. So okay siya. 3 years na ako dito sa Perth. But for the longest time, hindi tayo lumalabas ng during morning, during business hours. So kasi working from home tayo. So ngayon, ito yung first ever na lalabas ako ng morning na work related. And nakakapanibago, no? Kasi so it's 7 a.m. already, pero wala siyang traffic. So of course, in some areas, syempre may traffic. Di naman maiwasan, especially siguro sa CBD. Pero nakakapanibago kasi even sa Pinas, alam naman natin, ako sa Cainta ako, no? So hindi naman siya sa hindi siya sa main, pero alam naman natin ang traffic. Talagang traffic is bad sa place ko, no, sa Cainta. Paglabas mo pa lang mabigat na yung traffic, may mga bottlenecks. Ganda yung weather ngayon, so maximum 26 degrees. Pero even yung 26 na yan, sobrang masyadong mainit yan around, especially around 12 noon to 3 p.m. at least. So terik ang araw niyan. And dito sa Australia, harsh yung sunlight. Talaga nakaka-burn ng skin. So dapat ano ka talaga, mag-moisturizer ka ng skin. Kwento ko sa previous vlogs ko yung status ng role ko dito sa current company ko. So, yun, up to now, same pa din. So, I wouldn't know, I don't know kung ano yung future ko sa company. Kasi, yung clients namin, for my skill set, lumipat siya ng ibang technology or platform dahil nagmahal yung license cost. So, that means, syempre, pag wala tayong clients, so that means at any time, no, pwedeng i-cut yung job role ko. But let's see, no. So in a month or in 2 months from now, let's see. But ganun naman talaga sa field ng IT. So I would say high reward, but it comes with a risk kasi fast pace yung IT. So you wouldn't know kung magsi-switch from one technology to another or one platform to another. So constantly evolving yung word ng IT. So yung mga the things that you know today might not be relevant in the next 3 to 5 years, and pag hindi ka nag-upgrade ng skill set or hindi ka naging adaptable, you'll be left behind. So hopefully yung bagong platform makapag-transition tayo doon para ma-retain natin yung current role ko. Ang kagandahan kasi dito sa role ko is I'm working remotely. So that's a big plus, no? So it saves time, saves effort, very convenient kasi we're just working from home in my own room. So and yun, it comes with a lot of advantages. But let's see. So fingers crossed in the next 1 to 2 months or even 3 months. So alam naman natin na couldn't afford na mawala ng work din dito kasi high cost of living and we're paying mortgages. So yun, let's see. Kaya ngayon every now and then tumitingin-tingin tayo sa mga platforms, Seek.com, LinkedIn, so just to see around kung ano yung mga opportunity sa labas. Siguro abutin yung parking rate ko around 60 or more. Sana pala nag-bus na lang ako. So bihira kasi ako mag-bus. So hindi tayo sanay mag-bus. Hindi naman sa kasi yun nga working from home ako. So bihira talaga yung need ko na even mag-bus. So for the longest time either lalakad lang ako or I don't even need to go out. Pero pala dapat nag-bus na lang ako para tipid sa parking rate. Next time. Nakakapanibago, smooth sailing ang traffic. Ewan ko pagdating natin sa Perth. Pero so far, smooth na smooth. Sarap magbiyahe ng ganito. Sana one day maging ganito rin ng traffic condition sa Pinas. It's a long shot pero who knows, no? Hopefully. Isa rin kasi sa major factor is yung population. So given na sa atin sa Pinas, mas low yung mga infrastructure, pero isang big factor is yung population. So biruin nyo, for a very small country, so we have around 110 million, but compared to Australia, ang laki ng location, ng laking country, but they only have around 25 million people in population, in terms of population. So laking factor nun. So sa atin, kulang na nga sa infrastructure, laki pa ng population. So pero kung just imagine guys, no, kung pagpalitin mo yung population ng Australia and Philippines, from around 110 plus to just barely 25 million, so that's a big change, no? So kaya sometimes we can only do so much, we can only hope so much, kahit yung mga, of course there are changes, there are some improvements sa atin, we can't deny that, but sometimes it can only do so much because of yung growing population. But hopefully soon, very soon, sana at least in my lifetime, no, ma-experience ko man sana yung improvements. 5 kilometers na lang. I'll be arriving around 7:23. Not too bad, not too early. So 8:30 kasi yung call time. So ang start is 9 a.m. but at least for preparation, at least dapat nasa nandun na sa hotel by 8:30. So maglalakad pa naman ako, so tama lang. Ayan, aga natin dumating, 7:29. So dito na tayo sa parking. So good luck sa parking rate later. Pero naman siya, so hindi naman siya everyday. So ngayon lang tayo dahil sa training. So charge to experience. Ayan, dito tayo nagpark sa CPP parking along Terrace Road. So malapit lang siya sa Elizabeth Quay. Nandun yung banda yung Elizabeth Quay sa left side natin. Ayan, it's interesting to see at around 7:40. So tutuusin, business hours na yan. Maluwag pa rin yung parking. May mga free slots pa rin, especially doon sa area na yan. So pero dito sa entry, puno na siya. So yan, first time ko lumabas ng city. Ayan, so magre-rely tayo dito sa Google Maps. So it's about 16 minutes walk. So 1.1 kilometers away lang naman siya. So by 8:03, which is maaga pa sa call time na 8:30, nandun na tayo. So okay naman siya kasi maganda yung weather. Wala pang araw and malamig. Hindi siya malamig, parang around 18 degrees siguro tong weather na to. So convenient maglakad, hindi ka papawisan. Ayan, so first time natin, no, na lumabas ng city na work related. So everyday sana training, no? Tingnan natin kung magno-nosebleed tayo. Yan, 3 minutes walk na lang tayo.
Tapos na yung N-Central training natin sa Parmelia Hotel ba yun? Parmelia Hilton Hotel. So, ano lang naman siya, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And apparently, certification training na rin pala siya. So, mayroong 4 modules with exam. Unfortunately, hindi natin pasa for one take. So, pero pwede namang i-retake. So, later or after 24 hours ata, magre-reopen ulit yung exam, so I can retake it sa bahay. So, hindi naman sayang. So, may retake naman. So, yung N-Central is about mostly ginagamit siyang tool for patch management. So, asset management mostly. So, yung mga mostly ginagamit siya ng mga MSP companies, no? For asset management, patch management. And ako mismo hindi ako hindi talaga ako gumagamit masyado ng N-Central. Pero it's one of our tools, and yun, it's something that I have to get more familiarized na mas in-depth. So, yung ginagamit ko kasi sa kanya is yung basic lang, no? Pag nagre-remote, checking yung patches, but we have a dedicated team who manages monitoring and Central. So hopefully it's something na mas matutunan ko pa more in-depth. So it's about a kilometer walk yung parking area ko. So good luck na lang kung magkano yung parking rate natin. So, approximately, maybe mga $60. Yung from, dumating ako around before 8, around 7:30. So, it's past 4 p.m. na. Let's see. So, I think $6 per hour siguro ang parking rate dito. So, maganda rin yung mga ganitong training opportunities. At least, we get to know other colleagues from the same industry, even they are from other companies, and at the same time, it's a good leverage to learn new technologies. So especially ako, I'm not really in-depth in terms of N-Central. So yun, magandang opportunity na matuto naman ng bagong technology. And so dito tayo nagpark sa CPP along Terrace Road. Layo ng pinarkingan ko. $10 lang total. Not bad. Hindi pala $6 per hour ang parking rate dito. So I only paid $18. So not bad. So how much lang yun? Kasi almost 8 hours ako eh. Good job. Na-miss ko rin yung mga ganitong on-site trainings. Kasi nga 3 years na lang ako dito. Pero mostly working from home lang. So once in a while nakakamiss din yung on-site. Iba rin kasi yung environment pag meron kang colleagues na nakakasama. So yun, hopefully magkaroon pa ng ibang trainings in the coming months. But siguro this year baka last na to. Hopefully next year meron ulit. Ayan, pauwi na. Mas ma-traffic pag pauwi compared yung kaninang papasok ko. So, umalis ako ng around 4:17. So, about 6 kilometers away pa ako. So, naka 20 minutes na ako. So, moving naman. Pero mas heavier traffic compared dun sa papunta kanina. Bili tayo ng mauwi dito sa McDonald's. Dumaan lang sa McDonald's para may mauwi naman sa bahay pagdating. Mga 40 minutes yung biyahe ko. So dumaan lang tayo dito sa McDonald's para may mauwi man lang pagdating. Ayan, home sweet home. So 5:22 tayo nakarating. So almost an hour. Pero more than an hour. Pero dumaan pa kasi tayo sa McDonald's. So ayun, hanggang sa muli. Ganda nitong tree na to pag spring. Nagbo-blossom siya. Ano bang tawag dito, Labs? Jacandara tree. Correct me if we're wrong, guys. No? Parang Jacandara trees ang tawag dito. Ayun, no? Yung leaves niya purple. Ewan ko lang kung kita sa camera. Pero yun, nagpo-purple siya.
Picture mo ako dyan. Cellphone.
Ganda ng nagpo-fall yung mga purple leaves.
Ganda.
Magandang tingnan pero ano siya, hassle sa owner. Kasi yun, you have to clean it up. Nagpo-fall kasi siya. Oh. Ayan, so dito kami sa football field ni My Loves. Lapit lang sa amin. So, we don't know kung anong name nitong football field na to. Ang sarap-sarap mag walking dito. Itong kagandaan sa mga fields dito, maintain siya talaga. So, kita nyo guys yung grass. Napaka-fine ng grass, meaning maintain siya. Kasi alam naman natin ang open field, hindi siya magiging fine yung grass kung walang maintenance yan. So, probably weekly, may nagka-cut dyan. And then, nilalagyan din yan ng, syempre, dinidiligan ng water para hindi mag-dry.